What I love about Instagram is how we can talk to each other all over the world. So I put something on Instagram a few days ago with me doing the crisscross exercise, and a lady called Tammy in Dubai, hello Tammy, how are you, asked how she could do that exercise. She wanted to work towards doing it. And then a friend of mine, Matt, who's Mercer Pilates in Las Vegas, came across with an answer and a suggestion on how to do it and said, hey Rachel, why don't you show us? So here we go. I'm going to try and show you how to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to do the chest lift with rotation, followed by the single leg stretch, and then you put those two movements together and you get the crisscross. All right, so let me show you how to do it. Here we go. All right, so I hope you can hear me because I haven't got my microphone on today. So I'm going to lie down and do the chest lift with rotation. All right, so what you're going to do is have the feet down, elbows open. You're going to keep the body in that neutral position here, so keep the spine from moving. You're going to take a deep breath in and you're going to breathe out to lift up. So my spine has to move, but my lower half of my body isn't. I'm staying in a neutral position. Then I'm going to take a deep breath in, going to breathe out, rotate, back to center, breathe out, rotate, and back to center. So that's center. Center, 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 and center. Now we're going to do the single leg stretch. So you're going to bring the legs up and you're going to extend the legs out. And I'm going to suggest that you keep your arms behind your head because then that prepares you for the crisscross. So we have our head up, deep breath in, exhale, switch the leg and switch. So you're keeping nice and stable, just reaching those legs out. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then all you do from there is put those two movements together and you get the crisscross. So we lift the legs up, we extend the left leg out. Let's get that chest a little bit higher. Rotate towards that bent knee. Take a deep breath in and switch, and switch, and switch, and switch. Good. And there we go. All right, so that's how we do it. So what I want you to do, Matt and Tammy, is give it a go and let's see what you can do. All right, saying a big hello from the UK. See you soon. Bye.